Hello, everyone. I received the comments of some viewers that the problem they still exist because of the type of computer they have is different, and they do not have Nahimic program. So I searched for a long time and I couldn't find a reason for the game to stop. But anyone can see what the code is and search Google browser. Click the right button, select the event viewer, and click Yes to open it. In the box on the left, choose Windows Logs and then choose an application. It will appear in the center of the application box. The last error occurred on the computer. Click on the error. Look underneath. You'll see the details of the error. So search, you might find a solution to the problem that the game stops working properly. Thank you for watching this video.